everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to download Minion Rush on your Android device. To download Minion Rush application on your Android device, first of all make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open the Google Play Store on your Android. Once the Google Play Store opens up, bring up the search box and type in Minion Rush in it. Make a search for the app and you will be able to see the Minion Rush game displayed in the search result. Once you get to this app display screen, click on the install button and this will start downloading Minion Rush on your Android. You will need to wait for a couple of minutes until the game is downloaded and installed, and once it is completed, click on the play button to open the Minion Rush application on your Android phone. So that is how you download Minion Rush for free for your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.